So we start out today's video with this hair transformation. Wow, she has got some really long hair. And not only is her hair long, it's also extremely thick. Stylist cuts off all of the ponytails. More than likely this hair will be donated since it was sectioned off in such a way. Very cool. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some more haircut transformations. So we get right into the next one. Looks like he might be doing a bob for this one. Mixing in some face framing bangs. Ooh, cute little shoulder length bob. Nice tassel effect, and I think the fringe bangs came out amazing. Beautifully done. Next up, we see someone with waist length hair. Looks like she might be getting a bob haircut as well. Stylist cuts the hair. That is a lot of hair to be cutting off. Cuts off the other side. Ooh, wow, what an absolutely gorgeous shoulder length bob haircut. I really like the simplicity of this particular cut. Wow, this looks amazing. And she has so much volume within this bob cut as well. Very nice. Next up, we see someone with 2 long ponytails. And bam, she also gets a tousled shoulder length lob haircut, where the stylist is cutting those ponytails off. Very nice. It looks like she does have a little bit of layers going there in the front with some bangs. Just a slight little bang action there. Very cute. Next up, we have someone with a shoulder length hair. Looks like she's in the salon for a cut refresh. Ooh, looks like she might be getting an undercut and going much shorter here. Stylist ends up doing a very chic asymmetrical pixie bob and adds in some color. Ooh, it looks like she got some sun-kissed highlights. This is so pretty. And I really like the shape of this pixie bob with the undercut. Very fashion-forward style. So cute. And then we have someone else at the salon for a cut refresh. Looks like she might just be getting mainly like a trim. it in the front. Oh, this is cute. This is kind of like a baby mullet style here. Oh, I love this. Very nice. All right, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these chic hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.